Hello viewers, welcome in another episode, and probably you already know it will be another paczka or parcel. Paczka is parcel in Polish. I got this one from shop I discovered recently. That's my first purchase there. That's German shop, premium model cars, and I found some models at a very good price. I couldn't find anywhere else, and those prices were really good, because buying, for example, motor helix models so cheap, and especially those which are not so easily available on the market, like this Honda Civic or that's 50th anniversary motor helix Nissan GTR R35 in beautiful blue livery. I also got something I tried to find but I couldn't for a long time. CLD McLaren 600 LT in midnight blue chameleon paint job with some carbon. Also pink Nissan R32 in top secret livery by Ignition. Plus two more 1/64 scale models. This beautiful set of two Subaru Imprezas by Tarmac Works. I had no idea about this set until I found it there, and it was cheap. It costed me less than 20 euros, so that's fantastic price. Also, you know, I love Ferraris, and I like Ferraris made by Kyosho, and there it is, Dino made by Kyosho in this wonderful book edition. Plus, again, something I wouldn't expect to find so cheap. This is TSM models. So this is Mini GT parent company and beautiful model in 1/43 scale, which was less than 20 euro, 1 cent less, 1 euro cent less than 20 euros. But this is a fantastic price for such model. Then this little box, that's not 1/64 models, that's just one model in 1/18 scale. No information about what model it is, but some people probably will recognize it must be GT Spirit looking at this, and you will be right. And there is box. I already removed it from the box, and the model itself, it's Ferrari, but it's not just Ferrari, it's Koenig Special Ferrari 550 from 1997. So maybe original box was from BBR models. This isn't BBR models, but it's not that far away. In this box we have beautiful Ferrari resin model. Those are like friendly budget resin models of very good quality. I can't show you better because it's still bolted there, but I can give you some glimpses of what's inside. Anyway, we will see proper video with this model. So this is my short video for Monday. I hope your Mondays will be at least as good as mine, maybe even better. Thank you for your attention as usual. All the best for all of you, and see you soon. Bye bye.